Namaste, Jevin. I, Jevin Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Agriculture, Veterinary Science. Today, I deliver a lecture on this topic: history of soil fertility and plant nutrition and criteria of essentiality. First of all, talk about the general concept of soil fertility. The plant depends on the soil not only for the encourage but require element for its structural build-up and physiological process. All the elements that have been identified as essential for cropland growth and yield are obtained from the soil with the exception of C, which is obtained from the air through the stomata. Hydrogen and oxygen are obtained from water absorbed through the plant roots. The remaining element NPK, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and the micronutrient, which are referred to the plant nutrient, are obtained directly from the soil. Thus, the plant depends on the soil for its nutrition. All the plant's nutrition are present in the soil. However, the mere presence of the plant nutritive in the soil does not mean that such a soil is a fertile. Plants absorb nutrient in ionic form, dissolved in a solution, also for optimum performance of crop. There must be sufficient amount of all the nutrient enough to meet the minimum requirement of the crop. Thus, the soil must be able to supply adequate amount of the plant nutrient in the form which can be absorbed by the crop within its lifespan. Thus, soil fertility is defined as the ability of the soil to supply plant nutrient. What is the definition? Soil fertility is defined as the ability of the soil to supply plant nutrient in an adequate quantity and in an available form to plant. Available form of plant nutrient are form of ionic form, which can be absorbed by the growing plant. Plant absorb nutrient in which form? Ionic form. Soil fertility and productivity. Factor affecting soil productivity. Which factor affect the soil productivity and fertility? Are two terms which are soil productivity or soil fertility are two terms which always create confusion in our mind. What is soil fertility? What is soil productivity? Soil fertility is the status of inherent capacity of soil to supply nutrient to plants in an adequate amount and in suitable proportion is called soil fertility. Inherent soil fertility means inherent capacity. And another, soil productivity is the capacity of soil to produce crops with a specified system of management and is expressed in terms of yield per hectare. All productive soils are fertile, but all productive soil क्या होती है? Fertile. But all fertile soil need not be productive. It may be due to some problems like waterlogging, saline, alkaline condition, and its climate. ये जो टर्म्स है कि all productive soils are fertile but all fertile soil not productive. अब सबको माइंड में ये आप लोगों को आ गया होगा कि फर्टाइल सोइल प्रोडक्टिव तो होती ही है, लेकिन यदि वेदर की फिनोमिना जो भी कंडीशन है, एडवर्स क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, यदि वाटरलॉगिंग हो जाए, सैलाइन कंडीशन हो जाए, बिजली कड़क जाए या फर्स्ट हो जाए, रेनफॉल हेवी रेनफॉल हो जाए, तो ये दीज आर द फिनोमेना, एडवर्स क्लाइमेट फिनोमेना. यदि आपकी सोइल फर्टाइल होने के बावजूद भी आपकी प्रोडक्टिव सोइल नहीं हो सकती. क्यों नहीं हो सकती? क्योंकि सोइल तो फर्टाइल है, लेकिन क्या नहीं है, क्लाइमेट जो फिनोमेना है, फैक्टर्स है, वो एडवर्सली टू क्रॉप्स कल्टीवेशन. इसलिए सोइल फर्टाइल होने के बावजूद भी वो प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं हो सकती. लेकिन जो प्रोडक्टिव सोइल है, प्रोडक्टिव सोइल हमेशा फर्टाइल ही होती है. तो नेक्स्ट अपन क्या देखेंगे कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन सोइल फर्टिलिटी एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी, कि फर्टिलिटी और प्रोडक्टिविटी में क्या डिफरेंस है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, soil fertility, it is a index of the available nutrient to plant. It is a index of nutrient to plant. And productivity, it is a broader term used to indicate the yield. Soil fertility, it is one of the factors for crop production. The other factor are water supply, slope of the land, and depth of water table. These are the factors. Soil fertility, it is a factor for the crop production. And soil productivity, it is the interaction of all factors that determine the magnitude of yield. Soil fertility, It can be analyzed in laboratory. सोइल फर्टिलिटी को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, लेबोरेटरी में एनालाइज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रोडक्टिविटी को हम लेबोरेटरी में एग्जामिन नहीं कर सकते. It can be accessed in the field under particular climatic condition. Soil fertility, it is a potential status of the soil to produce crop. Soil fertility, what is for soil fertility? It is a potential status of the soil to produce crop. And productivity, it is a resultant of various factors influencing the soil management. These are the differences between the soil fertility and productivity. It is very essential to manage the soil fertility in such a way that one get maximum production from his land. For better fertility management, one should always consider what elements are needed for a particular crop in a what quantity of the total requirement. How much is present in the soil? The first step, therefore, is to find out the soil fertility status. That is, what is capacity of the soil to supply element may be balanced and timely to avoid the following ill effect of the unbalanced use of fertilizer. Essential nutrient. What is essential? Essential nutrient. They are elements needed by the plant for growth and reproduction, without which plant cannot be complete their life cycle. This is nutrient. Those nutrients are called essential nutrient. Without nutrient, plant cannot be complete their life cycle. Criteria for nutrient essentiality. Plant cannot be complete its life cycle without it. The function of the element cannot be replaced by another element. The element is directly involved in the plant growth reproduction. आप क्या समझे essentiality और nutrient? किस न्यूट्रिएंट को हम एसेंशियल बोलेंगे प्लांट्स के लिए, क्रॉप के लिए? यदि मान लो यदि नाइट्रोजन की कमी है प्लांट्स के अंदर, तो हम क्या करेंगे? नाइट्रोजन की कमी को हम नाइट्रोजन से ही दूर कर सकते हैं, उसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. उसकी कमी को हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. हम नाइट्रोजन की कमी है और हम क्या करेंगे? फॉस्फोरस डालेंगे. तो हम क्या कर, फॉस्फोरस से नाइट्रोजन की कमी तो पूरी नहीं होगी. तो प्लांट्स के लिए नाइट्रोजन एसेंशियल है. क्यों? नाइट्रोजन की कमी हम नाइट्रोजन से ही पूरी कर सकते हैं. That is the first essentiality of criteria for nitrogen या nutrient. And यदि और उसकी जगह हम उसके फंक्शन जो भी नाइट्रोजन के प्लांट के अंदर फंक्शन जो क्रिएट करता है, उसके फंक्शन हम किसी और न्यूट्रिएंट की वजह से हम उसको रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. नाइट्रोजन के फंक्शन जो होते हैं वो नाइट्रोजन ही रोल करेगा. तो ये सेकंड क्राइटेरिया है. फर्स्ट वन तो हो गया प्लांट कैन नॉट बी कंप्लीट देयर लाइफ साइकिल विदाउट इट. एंड सेकंड, द फंक्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट कैन नॉट बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय अनदर एलिमेंट. थर्ड वन, nutrient directly involved in the growth and reproduction, directly involved in the metabolism. These are the main three criteria for the essentiality defined for nutrient. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, any query regarding the session, please write in comment box.